treat today. I'm going to ask my husband a few things about what he thinks about my online daily pay business. Okay, so here we are. We're driving in Alberta right now, and I thought I have a captive audience. Honey, what did you think of when I started this business?
You started this when I was definitely a little hesitant. But once I started seeing money being deposited in our bank account every day, it very quickly changed my opinion of potential this particular business had. The returns just keep on coming. Thus far, I am very skeptic or very cautious when it comes to starting new things. So this started to produce an income stream and started to show some returns. I was like, oh, I think this is the best thing that I've seen her get involved in. I think this might be a good thing. So, you know, that was after a couple of weeks, and then after a month it was still happening, and when she started replacing all of our annual income inside of 8 weeks, it was like, well, if this keeps going at the rate it's going, we might have to rethink our 5-year plan, because
Who's the main breadwinner now?
I used to have the role of the head breadwinner, and now she works a lot less than I do, and she makes a lot more than I do.
Now I make the dough and cook it.
And you know, it's kind of nice. I like it.
Yeah.
I like it very much. I'm not complaining at all. So
kind of blows your mind of what options there are online, right?
It does, and for the size of the investment. So I can tell you from an accountant's perspective that a low investment from my perspective had a very high return and a very immediate return, which it kind of ticks all the boxes for me. So
and no monthly costs.
And yeah, there's no reoccurring monthly costs.
Because I did one that had a lot of advertising before, so I was always spending money every month.
True. It's very cost effective, and it produces very good returns.
So are you a believer now in the online world?
I am a believer in the online.
You're a believer.
Yeah.
He's a believer.
I'm a believer.
So if you want to learn more, guys, my husband's a believer now. Go figure. Put yes below. I'll happily share with you details so you can learn, right? Knowledge is power. It gives you the information to make the best decision for yourself. See you later.